way home. Put it way over there. Okay. All right, there we go. What's up, everybody? Let me get out of here. Hold up. Stand by. Stand by. All right. I hope this is a good view, because this is like about as good as I can get it for y'all. My head's touching the top of the car, the headliner. Maybe I just got a big ass head, I don't know. But anyways, guys, let's hear this. I mean, come on. Come on now. So anyways, wanted to talk about the topic of today's video. So as you guys know, may not know, this is my second ZL1 1LE. It is a 2018 model year, just like my last one. I got it, and I hope this freaking sun isn't just killing it right now, killing the damn video. Alright guys, I tried to change up the video. I don't know if it's still super bright, but hopefully it's not. Hopefully it's not. Alright. I'll stop bitching now. I'll stop bitching, bro. I've been doing too much right now. I just try to get the, decent quality for you guys. I don't want the sun to be blasting in your face, so I went ahead and pulled over to make sure we're good, and it looks like it's good on the preview on my phone. So let's get to it then. Let's get it cracking. So yeah, this is my second ZL1 1LE 2018. Right, the first one I had, I loved it. I didn't want to, okay, let me backtrack. I part of me wanted to sell it, part of me didn't, right? Like it seems like it's the story for a lot of these people, ZL1 owners. It seems like a lot of them come back to the car. They sell it, and then they, fucking couple months later or a year later, they come back and buy it again. And I thought maybe that might be a possibility. But first off, let me backtrack, because I know some people would be wondering, like, dude, why would you sell the car? Like, why'd you sell it in the first place? Why'd you buy another one? Well, that's a simple answer. Money, right? I mean, I got the car, the first one, the gray one. I got it in 2021 for $50,000 or $55,000. I can't remember. A really good deal for at the time. Even at the time, it was a great deal. So I went and bought it. I drove it for 2.5 years. I didn't pay cash for it. I'm not balling like that. So whoever thinks that of me, I appreciate it, but no, not even close. But I did put enough down to cover the sales tax, licensing fees, everything. I was able to easily afford the car, so I don't want anyone to think like I was struggling to make the payments. That's not true. I just 2 years had gone by, and if you know about these cars, you knew over the past couple of years they've not only held value, but there was a point in time where they actually went up in value. So if you have the opportunity to buy or sell a car that you bought for $60,000, and make, you know, over 10 grand off of it, well, yeah, it's gonna make you think. When you have the car of your dreams, so to buy a car with, you know, this is one of my dream cars, right? I have my dream cars in levels, right? I have my dream car under, you know, 100,000, dream car under 150, or I have my Japanese dream car, my European dream car. This was my American dream car under $100,000, the ZL1 1LE. And I finally got the car. I finally got it. I still remember the first time I saw the Nürburgring video of the red ZL1 fucking ripping it through the Nürburgring and setting that time. I've always wanted one, man, and I finally had the opportunity to purchase it. And when you know, I know a lot of people love these cars, and you guys tell me like, man, this is my dream car. I love it, and I hope you guys get it. You guys will love it, and just keep working. It'll work out for you. But after you have your dream car for a while, there are two types of people, right? Maybe there's more, but there are two types for sure. Where there's that one guy that has that one car that he loves and he keeps it forever. Then there's another, you know, person like me who enjoys the car for 2 years, and then you start thinking like, man, you know what? This car was great, but this one is better, or this car is cool, but I think it's time. I've enjoyed it enough. And I was feeling like that, to be honest with you guys, man. I felt like at one point I was like, this car, I've driven it to the best ability that I can, and I think it's, you know, I'm at the point where I know what it's like to own this car. I know what it's like to drive it. I know I can make $10,000-$15,000 off of this car. Well, let me put it up for sale and see what happens. And sure enough, my car sold within a week, guys. Like, I didn't really have time to process it. I put it up for sale on Facebook Marketplace for I think it was $59,000, and boom, some 18-year-old kid from Utah got it, and just, it was gone in a week. So yeah, like, it was a quick impulse sell, and I didn't really have time to process my decision on whether or not I really wanted to sell it, because I put it up on the market and it sold within a week. So it fucking sucks not having a race car, man, if that's what you're used to. You know, I've always had a sports car, and I've had, you know, fast cars that are fun to drive, and the last year, it's been the first time in my life that wasn't the case, man. You know, and it sucks. It kind of takes your person, if it's part of your personality, man. Like, that's why they say, you know, the pursuit of happiness is so important, because it's important to go after the things that really, really make you happy. And for me, it's cars like this. So that's why I sold my car. Now let me tell you why I bought it again. My buddy Alex, he told me like, hey bro, I want to sell my ZL1. If you want it, you can buy it. And guess how much he wants me to buy for? $48,000. His payoff, pretty much what he owes on it. He didn't want anything else. He just wanted that. So when you get hit with an offer like that, you got to think about it. I had just sold my ZL1 with 10,000 more miles than what this guy's car had, for $10,000 or $12,000 more than what he offered me, you know, for me to buy it at. So the smart person, even if, you know, this is where people get misconstrued about, I don't even know what that word means, but I just say it. I guess people get confused about like how are cars assets? How can people buy cars, these kinds of cars, and not go broke? Well, it's because you buy them at good prices. You know, you gotta hunt the deals down, and you gotta like jump on opportunities when you see them. And that's what I did here. Once he said, this is how much I want for it, I said, fuck it, dude, I'm there. When you buy your car for the first time, you're always gonna remember the first song that was playing on your way home. It's like memories like that start to form, and you start thinking about those memories, and you're like, hey, man, we can do it again. Let's do it again. So here I am. I got the car again. Keep this car modded up and share it with you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and as we get closer, I hope you enjoy this little canyon run that I have set up here for you guys. I'm gonna gonna probably put it in a separate video so I can shut up and you guys can kind of see what's up with this.